I'm singing, Daddy.
What are you singing?
I'm singing. Is it time to wake up and it's time to wake up?
I don't know if it's time to wake up.
Instead, I'm seeing the light open my window.
Well, you said it was time to wake up.
But my band-aids keeps get off of my band-aid. And I don't want to get off. I'm taking the soft to go swimming.
Where are you going swimming?
I'm going swimming out. I was birthday. So I have to take this off. They shouldn't get this off.
Well, I'll take it off when we go there.
No, I need it off now. So if I get swimming, I won't get to see my band-aid again. If I lose it, I will be very upset.
You're going to be upset if what?
If I take it off, I won't be very upset. Hey, that was on my foot. Can you take this one off, Daddy? No, who says war? Who says war? Who says war? Who says war?
What are you saying?
Who say war?
Who says water?
I said war. War.
War?
Yeah.
What does war mean?
I said him. I said what?
A roar. Because he's a dinosaur.
I told you it was special. And then where's my ladybug book? Where's my ladybug book?
I think it's in your bed. You were reading it before.
I was reading it before.
It's in your bed.
Oh, I have to take all this out. I was reading this when I was going to sleep.
But you didn't actually go to sleep.
Yes, I did.
Jameson, what are you going to do with all that money over there?
Maybe it's something I need for my bank.
Don't put that in your mouth.
I was singing a song at the time I got
What song were you singing?
I said, it was time to wake up. That song says,
Well, how does the song go?
it's the time to wake up. The time to wake up.
Do you-
That's how the song goes.
Do you know any other songs?
I don't sing the other song. You said Georges. You said Georgie. I said Georges.
Gorgeous?
Yeah.
What's gorgeous?
That's the house I sang yesterday.
You know,
Georges is a boy. Georges has a sister. Georges has a sister. Georges has a sister. Georges has a sister. Georges has a sister.
that's a pretty interesting song. Do you sing any other songs at school?
No, he told me I can't sing that so I know it's cool.
Jameson.
Jesus, do you know about Jesus?
What about Jesus?
I'm gonna sing a song. God make you, God make me, God make everything He can do. God make Tracy, Hunter, Hadia. Who are you? And I say, who are you? Jameson.
You're silly. Can you wipe your mouth for me, please?
Wow.
Because you have a little bit of spit on your mouth.
Spit on nails won't come
Well, like
out.
this. Just rub your lips. There you go. Do you know any other songs?
You mean God? You mean You mean cocky ball? You mean cocky? You know about cocky? Cocky, happy, healthy, oh, ain't nobody, ain't our,
That's not how you count.
No. That's how the song that goes. That's how the songs go.
It is?
And that's how the song goes when it's singing like that. He says. The girls are walking to you break it.
I'm not going to break your rocking chair.
Then don't hit this thing when they will break and the stuff over here and the snakes will come over.
Snakes are going to come?
Yes, he was.
Jameson, stand up, please.
He was right over
Stand up.
there. He was right over there. You have to be quiet so the snakes don't went up like that.
There's no snakes in your bed.
But there was when I was a baby and he was scared and a bad wolf came.
A bad wolf came?
Yeah,
In your room?
yeah.
No way.
Yes, he did. When I was a baby. When I was a baby.
Oh, when you were a baby?
Yeah, and he just scared me. And I just talked to him and he said, woof, 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 woof. That's what the wolf did.
That's a crazy wolf.
He said, woof, 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 woof.
Say, why don't you say bye to the camera?
Bye, camera. He didn't even talk.
Who didn't talk to the camera?
Yeah.
But I'm recording this as a video.